If you don't want to miss out on Amazon's 2024 trends but still want to stay ahead in 2025, watch this now. All right, Amazon sellers, listen up. 2024 is all about DIY and crafting, with 𝗪𝗔 heç dye kits rocketing up by 526%. Home beautification is on fire too. Home decor accents grew by a whopping 762%. Tech's still thriving. The electronics category surged 31% thanks to smart devices. And don't forget, wellness and self-care, health and household items jumped 28%. So, how can you ride this trend wave into 2025? Use Amazon's Product Opportunity Explorer to find those golden untapped niches. Optimize your listings with high-volume keywords. Launch new products in these booming categories early to dominate the market, and run targeted Amazon PPC campaigns to boost visibility. Remember, staying ahead means being data-driven, adaptable, and innovative. What product categories do you think will be the next big thing? Let's discuss in the comments.